Creating a folder on Yahoo Mail can help you to categorize your emails and can keep your inbox clean. Let's see how can we do it and set it step by step. On the left side here, you can find a folder sections, and as you can see, I have already one named junk. I think that's default. Let's create another one and let's name it science. Good. It's a very generic one, and if we hold our mouse to this one, we can see an arrow. Let's press on it and we can create a subfolder to that science folder. Let's name it math from mathematics. Oh damn it, okay, it was created. We can create a subfolder to this one, but let's create another subfolder for science. Let's name it physics. And I think that's enough for now. Let's see how can we automatically categorize our emails, the new incoming emails. So let's assume this email from Fiverr is related to math, even if it's not. We'll see three dots here on the top and we'll see filter messages like this. Let's press on it. Add the filter, always move messages from this email address to this folder. Let's put it inside science, math, because math is a subfolder to science, and we can press on save. And from now on, whenever I will receive an email from Fiverr, it will be dragged here automatically to math subfolder of science. Let's find another one, this one from Uber. Let's assume this one is related to physics, even if it's not even close. Again, three dots, filter messages like that, and let's put it inside physics and we can save. Nice. And from now on, whenever we will receive an email from Uber, it will get into the physics folder. Beautiful. And in this way, you can categorize all your emails and your inbox will be extremely clean. You just have to take your time setting all those emails in the specific folder, but it will be worth your time. But how can we see the filters that we created? Well, in the top right corner, you'll find this gear icon. Press on it, and down below, hit more settings to open a new menu. And on the left side, we can see the filters. And as you can see, I have already created one for Fiverr, which will get into the math folder, and one from Uber, which will get into the physics folder. You want to delete one, just select it and you can press on delete. And are you sure you want to delete filter Uber? Yes, I am. And I have just one more left from Fiverr, and from here you can see your filters. If you want to edit a filter, you just have to select it, and as you can see, filter name is named Fiverr. From set rules from, this is their email address, and choose a folder to move it, and science math is selected, and from here you can select another one, put physics and press on save. And now I edited the filter with Fiverr, it will get into this one instead of math. But what if you want to delete a folder? Well, let's put the mouse on the physics folders. Let's assume we want to delete this one, press on this arrow and we'll find here delete folder, and we are left with math and science. You want to create another one, press on this one, computers, I don't know. And from now on, you know the drill. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, how to create a folder and a subfolder and how to categorize all your emails from this tutorial. Take your time to set all this correctly and it will be worth your time, because you don't even want to have a look here in my inbox. I have 15k emails, everything it's in one specific folder into the inbox, everything is clogged here together. I hope you have a great day.